Question from heights and distances. Question number 39. From a point at a height A above a lake, the elevation of the top of a tree on the opposite side is alpha, and the angle of depression of the reflection of the top of the tree is beta. Show that the height of the top of the tree above the level of the lake is h equal to a sine of alpha plus beta by sine of beta minus alpha. Here we go. I'll read the question once again. Try to interpret it clearly. From a point at a height A above a lake. Here so many A's are there. Don't get confused. From a point at a height A above a lake. So here first A is showing only singular. A point at A height means one height, and height is A. Above a lake. Here A lake means one lake. But the one A which is before above word is the measurement of the height of the distance, that is small a. So you have a point at a height of A units from the water level of a lake. From that point, the angle of elevation of top of the tree. Where is tree? Tree is at opposite side of the bank. So top of the tree, angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means when you look up, when your views are up, that is angle of elevation. What is angle of depression? When you look down, that is angle of depression. So the angle of elevation of top of the tree situated at opposite side of the lake is alpha. Again from the same point, angle of depression of reflection of the top of the tree. Obviously when there is a tree on the bank of the lake, its reflection will be found in the lake water. So that's reflection, top of the reflection of the tree will be beta from the same point. So is asking to show that the height of the top of the tree from the above the level of lake, that is from water level, is a sine alpha plus beta by sine of beta minus alpha. That is asking to prove. Let us draw the diagram for this one, because diagram is very important for heights and distance question. See here, he said there is a lake. Draw the lake like this, and a point is above a units above the lake water, that is CD is the distance, that is height of the point. So D is the point where, that is A units height from the water level. So the point of observation is clearly found first, that is D is the point of observation. From D, the tree is situated on opposite side of the bank. See here, that is a tree. Now height of the tree is AB. So angle of elevation from D to point B is alpha. So draw ED and BD, that is alpha. And obviously that its reflection is at B dash. So AB dash is reflection of the tree in the water level. So from D its depression B is beta. So join B dash and D, and that is beta, the angle of depression. What is angle of depression? When you look down it is angle of depression. When you look up it is angle of elevation. So let us take the diagram once again. CD is the height of the point. From D you have watched the top of the tree B at an angle alpha. E is the point in between the height of the tree AB, and E and D are joined to complete the triangle. So B is opposite side of alpha, and similarly AB dash is the reflection of tree. So from D, B dash is found at an angle beta. Now observe the diagram. AB is the height of the tree and AB dash is height of image. So EB will become H minus A, because AE is equal to CD, that is small a. Let you take DE as X and AC as X, which is the distance from a point of observation to the tree. Now AB is H, height of the tree, and AB dash is also H, but BE become H minus A and EB dash become H plus A. With this constant you will get 1 mark for this diagram, which is a diagram should be very legible. It is, don't decorate the diagram, only simply state diagram as if you will get some clarity in the problem. Now diagram is 1 mark, and description you will get 1 mark. What is the description? Let AB be the tree of height H and AB dash be its image. Let CA denote the surface of the lake and D be the point of observation, so that CD is small a and DE is equal to X. Given that angle BDE is alpha, locate angle BDE. That is alpha, and angle EDB dash is beta. Also EB is H minus A and EB dash is H plus A. Just now what I told is, that is the, that you put in words, that is description. So this description you will get 1 mark. Diagram 1 mark and description 1 mark. Next, how many triangles are there? There are 2 triangles. So triangle BDE and triangle EDB dash. So take that many relations. For first triangle, from triangle BDE, tan alpha is equal to EB by DE, therefore H minus A by X, hence X becomes H minus A by tan alpha. That is number 1 relation. For this you will get 1 mark. Next, take triangle EDB dash, tan beta is equal to EB dash by DE, that is how much? EB dash by DE is H plus A by X, that is H plus A, because EB dash is H plus A, we have taken it as H plus A by X. Therefore obviously X becomes what? X becomes H plus A, that is A plus H by tan beta. That is number 2. For this you will get 1 mark. So 1 mark for X equal to H minus A by tan alpha, 1 mark for X equal to A plus H by tan beta. From 1 and 2, why 1 and 2 are equal? Because both are equal to X. Equate them and simplify. H minus A tan beta equal to H plus A tan alpha. And eliminate here H value, that is H tan beta minus A tan beta equal to H tan alpha plus A tan alpha. Separating the variables, H into tan beta minus tan alpha equal to A into tan beta plus tan alpha. Writing tan beta tan alpha in terms of sine and cos, and take LCM on both sides. LCM is cos beta cos alpha on both sides, it can be cancelled. Hence H into sin B cos alpha minus cos beta sin alpha, A into sin beta cos alpha plus cos beta sin alpha. Hence H into sin beta minus alpha is equals to A into sin beta plus alpha. Therefore H is equals to A into sin beta plus alpha by sin beta minus alpha will be the height of the tree from the water level, that is H. So for this you will get 3 marks. So here you observe once again how the marks will be awarded in this question. First of all, for diagram 1 mark will be awarded, so draw the diagram legibly. You don't need to take it as very serious diagram, but there should be at least legibility in the diagram, that what is tree and what is point of observation and the distances mentioned should be very clear. For that you will get 1 mark. And after that measurement should be written very clearly with arrow marks, double-headed arrow on either sides. Or else you can take the square brackets to mention the length. So diagram 1 mark. After getting diagram 1 mark, description, whatever you have drawn in diagram, like AB dash is the image of the tree, that you will get 1 mark. Like AB is tree and height of the tree is H, like. After further description 1 mark. Next, as many triangles are there, take one triangle, that is triangle BDE, tan alpha H minus A by X, hence X equal to, that is number 1. So for that you will get 1 mark. And for another triangle EDB dash, that is H plus A by X equal to tan beta, so therefore X equal to H plus A by tan beta, that is 1 mark. Then both are equal because both are equal to X. Equate them and find out H value. Simplification takes little more strength, so it carries 3 marks. So 1 for figure, 1 for description. 2 marks goes there only. 1 for each triangle, 1, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 marks plus 3. 7 marks you will get for this question very comfortably. And in question B bit, whatever is given, it is a numerical one. That is the angle of elevation of top of a tower is 45 degrees from a point 10 meters above the water level of the lake. The angle of depression of its image is 60. Find the height of the tower. See here, what is the hint? Obviously here what is small a? Small a length is given as 10 meters and the angle of elevation alpha is given as 45 degrees and beta is given as 60. So here is hint, you can simply take it as hint of this problem is small a is equal to 10 meters and alpha is equals to 45 degrees and beta is equal to 60 degrees. So if you substitute these values in H is equal to A sin beta plus alpha by sin beta, also you will get directly answer. But don't do like that one. Do just draw the diagram and instead of H and instead of small you can put 10 and instead of like that alpha you put 45, beta 60 and proceed. So all the best for this question, which you can do it very clearly.